Hello, students. Am I audible? Dear students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello, dear students. Am I audible? Please answer me. Hello. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. We start. Okay. 1 minute. Student, 1 minute. Start because some problem is going on here. 1 minute. Okay. Is the screen sharing now, students? Okay, regarding today's lesson, we are going to start with the set theory in the mathematics of topic PUC first. And today we are going to start with some of the important questions on CET based questions, CET questions based on the set theory. Okay, so let me start with some of the important points which are needed for the CET. So that is, what is set? It's a basic definition. You need to know this, all the things. And I hope already you know this. The set is well-defined collection of the distinct object. The object that are called as elements means the elements which are the numbers or the letters which are present in the set that are called as the elements or the members of the set. And the set is always represented by the capital A, B, C, D. Usually it is denoted by the letters. And lowercase, what it will denotes? It denotes always a element or a number. Okay. Okay, these are the some important points. So based on this and some other points we'll discuss, that is the empty set. What is the empty set? Empty set which with a no element, any none of the element which are present in the set. If the set is represented by some letters, is called as empty set, and it is usually denoted by the letter that is called phi. It is called phi. Okay, and it is also represented by the in the letter in the set form, that is empty, means set A with the no elements or the no members are called as empty sets. And the example for a set of the real numbers is satisfied the equation, that is x square plus 1 is 0. X square plus 1 is 0 in the sense you can take the product, that is x square plus 1 square x square plus 1 can be also, we call it as x square plus 1 square. Students, please don't annote. Wait for a minute. I will disable your annote. Okay. Yes. Now, so x square plus 1, why it is a 0 in the sense, x square plus 1 in the sense, it can also be written as what? It is x square plus 1 square. So that is a square plus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b, which is equated to 0. So both elements are should be 0. So it is also, we call it as, you can say, the null set. Now next one, directly we'll move without wasting the much time on this. We'll move on to the directly the questions which are based on this. Some examples also we'll try to understand this. That is, the collection of vowels in the word is a probability. That is the collection of the real numbers. So these all are, we can say that these are the sets. Okay, represents the set. Means the probability, the collection, what we can say, the vowels, which are vowels in this, the word probability. That is, what are the vowels here? E, E, I, O, U. So here I will show you directly because it's need the shortcut now. So O, E, I, and Y. And no, sorry, Y it is not there. So I is repeated 2 times, but we have to consider in the set form only 1 time. So the set A, if you represent the probability word, the vowels collection in that, that is O and A and I. So these are the only 3 letters we can say that will comes for the vowels, that is a collection of the vowels in the word probability. Now, collection of the real numbers that satisfies the equation x square minus 9. X square minus 9 in the sense it is nothing but the x square minus 3 square. Okay. So, if you resolve this problem, that is, or you can say that x square minus 3 square, instead of that, x square can be written as minus 9. If you transpose to other side, it will become plus 9. So, x is what? It is nothing but plus or minus 3. Okay. So, the real numbers are the collection of negative and both positive. So, these are the various examples we can see in the form of set. Student, can you hear me? Are you understanding this? Hello, students. Can you hear me? Dear students, can you hear me? Please unmute yourself and speak. One or two students, if you say yes, okay, so that I can proceed. Okay. Sometime what happens, due to the internet problem, my wife may not be here by your side. So please, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Don't chat everyone. Say one or two guys if you say yes, so that I can move. Yes. Okay. Now, based on this, what are the CET questions will appear in the examinations that we are going to study? So let me wait. Yes, subsets and intersection, complement. So these I will share with the PPTs and you can study in the later on stages. So now we start with some problems. So let A is a set that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. The number of a subset of A containing exactly 2 elements are how many? It is a question. Please answer, any one of you. Try to give the answer for this. I'll wait for hardly 10 to 15 seconds. Thereafter, I will show the answer. It is a question that A is a set from 1 to 10. Then the number of subsets of A containing exactly 2 elements are how many? Okay. Subsets. Who will give the answer fast? It is a collection. Collection in the sense what it will come? Students, collection in the sense it will comes with the formula that is NCR. NCR. So what is NCR formula? So NCR formula will states that factorial n by factorial r into factorial n minus r factorial. So this is the formula. Try to solve the problem now. It is nothing but what? 10 C2. Number of elements are how many? From 1 to 10, 10 are there. And the number, the subset of A containing 2 elements we want. So R is equal to 2. Substitute N and R. Try to get the answer in a quick manner, fast. Factorial 10. Fast, students, because it needs a very fast solution. Yes, you can chat it and you can give the answer fast. Yes, one of the student has given the answer. It's option 2 has given option 240. I think it is you tried well, but it is wrong answer. It is 10 and factorial r in the sense 2. 2 factorial is 2 into 1, 2 into n minus r. N minus r means what? 10 minus r. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 factorial. So 10 factorial in the sense 10 into 9. You can write it. 1 minute. Yes, it is 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Why? Because 8 into 7 into already it is 8 factorial is there. So 2 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial got cancelled. 2 and 2 5s are 10. 5 into 9 is 45. That is option 3. 45 is the right answer. Okay. Make it right. Write it down or take the screenshot fast. Either you take the screenshot or write it down. Hardly 10 seconds I will give, not more than that. Yes. Now, we'll move on to the next question. Next question. I'll clear the diagrams now. Yes. Now, if A, the set A is a 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and set B 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, then find the number of proper subset of A intersection B. Proper subset of A intersection B. Again, I will give you 10 seconds. Try to solve this. Don't know? Just try to solve this fast, students. If anyone of you know, you can give the answer. Proper subset in the sense what? It is nothing but A intersection B. Calculate it fast and tell me the answer. It's required the cardinality. Okay. So it is, say here, in the both the set, what are the common elements? A intersection B, 2, 4, 7, 9. Yes or no? Because 6 is here in the set B, but on the set A, it is not a present. So it is 2, 4, 7, 9. So it is 2, 4, 7, 9. Okay. So this is the, it is the A intersection B. So cardinality of it is how many? How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So A intersection B is nothing but 4 elements are present now. Okay, it is 4 elements are present. So the cardinality, that is n of A, that is 2 raised to 4. What is the formula it will use? It is nothing but proper subset in the sense 2 raised to m minus 1. So 2 raised to m is nothing but 4. So 2 raised to 4 minus 1. What is 2 raised to 4? It is 16 minus 1. That is nothing but 15. So answer B is the correct answer. Okay. Option B or option 2 is the correct answer. That is nothing but 15. Okay. Next one. Write it down fast. Next one. That is third question. Try to do this fast. Again, 10 seconds for you. Thereafter, I will start. If A is 1, 3, 4 and set B is x such that x belongs to R and x square minus 7x plus 12 is 0, then which of the following is true? Means the case is given over here. Okay, it is the case is given. That is, if set A is 1, 3, 4 are the members of set A and B set is given in set builder form, that is x is such that x belongs to the real number r and x is also the given in the form of equation, that is x square minus 7x plus 12. So which of the following is true? Means you have to find the elements of B, so that you will come to know whether set A is equal to set B, or set A is a subset of B, or B is a subset of A, or both are equivalent to B. First, yes, someone has given the answer quickly. Sir, B. It's answer B. Done, sir. Okay. Answer B, 1. It is given. Some people are giving. So, we'll see that. Okay. So, option B is given some people. And let me see. 1. So, first you find out the equation. What are the roots of this x square minus 7x plus 12? Then we'll try to find this. Okay. So, it is. What is the roots of this equation? That is nothing but minus 7x and plus 12, in the sense minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. So finally we'll get it. Take the commons. So x into bracket x minus 3, and here it is minus 4 into bracket x minus 3. So here x is 3 and x is 4. 3 and 4. So set B is what? Nothing but 3 comma 4. Okay, set B is 3 comma 4. So set B is 3 comma 4 in the sense. So here, which option is satisfying? Option 3. Why? Because 3, 4, apart from this, in the set A, 1 is also present. So set B is a subset of A. So B is a subset of A. Option 3 is correct answer. So write it down first. And A is not equal to B. Why? Because in the A, 3 elements are there, and B, 2 elements are there. Okay. I hope you completed. Next one. Yes. If set A is 135, then find the cardinality of the power set of A. Try to find now. Cardinality of power set of A. What is the answer? Yes, someone has given quick answers. Very good. Okay. All of you given the answer. If set A is 135, then find the cardinality of power set of A. What is the answer for this? It is nothing but, I'll check your answers. 8, 8, 8, 8. Absolutely. Your answer 8 is correct. Direct answer, because it is nothing but what? Those who are not understood, let me give you the explanation fast. It is number of elements are how many here? 3. So what the formula gives? 2 raised to m. M is nothing but the number of members here. So here it is 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is 8. So that is what the final answer. Okay. Next. Yes. Next question is, it is, if A set, sorry, okay, right. If set A is x comma y comma z, then the number of subsets in the power set of A is what? Wow, many students are understanding this concept very quickly. I'm very happy with you. So again, what is the answer here? It is nothing but 8. Why? Because no, 7, 9, 7, 9, some different answer I am receiving here. No, student 6, 8, 7, 9. The option again, it is nothing but 8. Option 2 is the right answer. Why? Because you can search it down. You can just try to write that number of subset of power set of A. First will be what? It is nothing but A. If you write like this, A, then first will be always null set. Then x comma y comma z. Next will be xy, then yz, then xz, then complete set, that is x, y, and z. So this is the complete set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 are there here. So answer 2 is the correct option. Okay. Yes. Make it correct. And please cooperate with handwriting, because here it is it's some boards problem here. So small writing board. Okay. Next, I will give you one more. Try to solve this. 1 minute. Again, 1 minute time for you. Yes. Sorry, this is next one. Try this. 1 minute, in that 10 seconds for you. Okay, consider the following relation. Yes. What is the answer for this? Some students have given the answer. Consider the following relation: A minus A intersection B, and A is A intersection B union A minus B, and A minus B of B union C is A minus B union A minus C. So which of this relation is correct? It is asking. Okay. Some students are given B, D, D. Different answers are given. Okay. And here every option is containing two sets. Two relations are correct, and only except option B. So according to you, which option is correct? So it is only option A is correct here, 1 and 3. Why? Because students try to understand. It is very simple technique over here. Option 1 is correct. So why it is option 1 is correct? So option A is the right answer. That is A minus B. A minus B in the sense A minus what elements are present in A, common elements of A and B, that will gives us universal minus A intersection B. So what is here? A minus B, A intersection B, in the sense common elements of A and B. It is also correct, and A minus B. So next one, option B, the option that is second option. A is equal to A intersection B union A minus B. It is not at all. So third option, A minus B union C, is A minus B, because here it is A minus B union A minus C. Why? Because you can think it here. A minus B union A minus C. So option 1 and 3 are correct. So exactly, some students are given the right answer and some other are well tried, you can say, but make it correct. So option A is the correct here. Okay. Option A, that is the opinion, or you can say statement 1 and 2 are 1 and 3 are correct. Next one. So next question. Again, 10 seconds for you. In a town of 10,000 families, it was found that 40% families were by newspaper A and 20% newspaper B, and 10% families by newspaper C, and 5% families by A and B, 3% B and C, 4% A and C. If 2% families buy all these three newspapers, then the number of families which buy A only is how much? Just try to analyze the question and try to solve. 1 minute time. And please don't answer in a blind manner. Please don't do that. It is very dangerous in the CET, because CET is framed in a such a way, na, even if you randomly tick it, na, it is gives the 5:1 correct. Means 5 questions, if you do in a randomly put your right answer for the 5 questions randomly, in that only chances of correct option and giving the correct answer is only 1 question if you do in a random manner. So don't do that, because some students use immediately the answer. Yes, your answer may be right. You are so sure. I know that some students are very smart, but try to solve. Fast. In a town of 10,000 families, it was found that 40% families buys newspaper A and 20% families buy newspaper B, 10% families buy newspaper C. So, shall we start? Okay, so try to find the cardinality of that. Okay, so here I will just try to write. Please adjust, cooperate with this screen. Screen is very small. Okay, now, so here it is. A, you can see that it is only 40%, 40. Okay, so like that. B is 20% and C is 10%. So what is A intersection B? A intersection B, that is only 5%. Means what? Common papers. So B intersection C, it is 3, and C intersection A, that is 4, and both three, that is A intersection B intersection C, is only 2%. Here it is given. Okay. Now, so just try to find the cardinality of that. What are the numbers? So what is the numbers there? So it is N of A, that is 4,000. Because 10,000 families are there. 40% means 4,000. Okay. 10% means 1,000. So here minus, next is N of A intersection B, that is 500. A intersection B, 500. Then plus 400. Which one that? A intersection C. Plus, it is N of A intersection B intersection C, that is 2% in the sense 2,000. Then, if you do the calculation of this, that is a 4,000. 500 plus 400 is 900. 900 plus 200. Sorry, not 2,000 here. It is 200. Please make it correct. 2% it is 200. So 200, 900. So total it is how much? It is 700. Because here it is total 1,000 and here it is 700. So 4,000 minus 700, it is nothing but 3,300. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Only reading paper A is, that is 3,300 families. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Can you hear me? Please say yes or no. Hello, can you hear me? Students, am I audible? Okay. Please chat it. Hello. Is it understanding? Is this problem is understood to you? Yes, yes. Okay, 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 okay. Now, next problem, we'll move on to the next problem. Because sometimes some problems will take more time. Yes. Next. It is. If A, B, and C are non-empty sets, then A minus B union B minus A equals to what? Quick again. 10-15 seconds for you. Remaining I will try to solve. If A, B, C are three sets, three non-empty sets. It's very easy. Please make it fast. Got the answer? Some students have started giving the answers. So it is option C, option C, option C. Option C. But it is not the correct answer. Just think over it. What is the question? Try to understand. If A, B, and C are non-empty sets, then A minus B union B minus A. It is clearly, you can see here, A minus B union B minus A. So let me try to solve this. So only two students are given the answer. Yes, D, some are given. So let me see. Okay. Yes, it is A, B, C. So if you consider these sets, A, B, C, that is A minus B union B minus A. So it is, if you write this one more time, that I can rewrite this as A intersection B dash. A minus B means what? A intersection B dash union B minus A in the sense what? B intersection A dash. B intersection A dash. Okay. So A intersection B dash union B intersection A dash in the sense what? It is nothing but A union B minus A intersection B. So here, which option is satisfying? Option C is satisfying. Yes, already some of you given the answer. Option C. Yes, exactly. Your answer is right. Okay, now next we'll move on to the next question. That is, clear the diagrams, all the drawings here. Yes. Now, next question. In the rule method, null set is represented by what? It looks very silly question, but its answer, many of you will give the wrong answer. Many of the students will be in a wrong impression in the exam, so that it will lead to the wrong answer. Yes, Pratibha has given the option A is a correct answer. In the rule method, in the rule method, in the rule method, the null set is represented by what? Yes, again, one more answer has given. Yes, yes, yes. It's very simple. That is, option A is the correct answer. Okay. It is the symbolic method. Option B is what? It is a symbolic method. Yes. Now, next. Yes, next question. That is, number of non-empty subsets. The number of non-empty subsets of set 1, 2, 3, 4 is what? Option A, non-empty subsets. So what is the formula? On earlier problems I given 2 raised to m minus 1. 2 raised to m is what? How many elements are there? 4. So 4 minus 1. 2 raised to 4 is 16 minus 1. That is a 15. Many of you have given the quick answer. It's very good. Option A is the correct answer. Next one. We'll move on to the next question. Yes. 1 minute, students, because something it is wrong here. Yes. Okay, try to solve this, students. Okay, students, try to solve this. Eh, 1 minute, 1 minute on something. It is doing something mistake. Yes. Consider. Students, can you see this properly? Okay, what is the answer? Option A. Okay. Option A is the correct answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Yes, yes. It is nothing but option A. Yes. Try this. Let 2468, a relation on R on A is defined by R is 24, 42, 46, 64 are the subsets of R. Then R is antisymmetric, reflexive, and symmetric and transitive. Try to solve this. Again, 1 minute time for you students. Thirty-nine question fast. Some are selected questions only you are going to solve here, not all the questions. Got the answer? Okay, many of you are given the answer. Very good. Symmetric, and some other students are given option C. Everyone is given the symmetric. Obviously, it is a symmetric. Why? Can anyone? Some of you don't. If you're not knowing, just let me give the explanation for this. It's very easy, but then I will give you. That is, here it is. You can say that option the set A. The set A is mentioned with 2468, and the set is R is given that it is clearly 24 and 42, 46 and 64 is the it is a relation on the set or R is given by. So if you take the A and B elements, A and B is belongs to R. So R is always what? R is equal to R inverse. So I can say that when those are equal to inverse function, then they must be satisfying the symmetric law. So they must be symmetric. Okay. Next one. Clear that I Yes. Next one. Let set A is ABC and set B is 1, 2. Consider the relation R defined from the set A to B. Then R is equal to what? It is very easy. Try to understand the question. let set A is ABC and set B is 1, 2. Consider the relation R defined from set A to B. Means what? The relation R defined from set A to B. Then R is equal to what? Obviously, it is a product of set A and B. That is A into B. Is that clear? 40, option C is the correct answer. Yes, exactly. Many students have given the answer, right answer, option C. Okay, next one. Even if you given the correct answer, but I have to give some explanation for that. Please try to understand this, okay? Next question. Okay, next question is, let R is 1, 2, 3. Let R is 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, 1, 3, comma 4, 2, comma 2, 4, comma 2, 3, comma 3, 1. Be the relation on the set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the relation R is what? Symmetric, transitive, non-symmetric, a function. Try to think. Here it is 2, 3 is there. 2, 3 is belongs to R, but 3, 2 is not belongs to R. Correct? 3, 2 is not belongs to R. Then next one. So it is not a symmetric. And R is what? Not reflexive. Why? Because 1, 1. Because of 1, 1. And R is not a function also. Why? Because it is 2, 4 is belongs to R, but 2 and 2, 3 is belongs to R. So it is not a function. Because 1 to 1. Next, R is not a transitive. That because 1, 3 is there. Now option 1, 3. Option 1, 3 is belongs to R. And 3, 1 is also belongs to R. So it is not the transitive. But 1, 1 is not belongs to R. So it is not, you can say that it is not belongs to R. So it is not a transitive also. So option C is the correct answer. That is not symmetric. Yes. No. Pratibha Rathod, something you have given the wrong answer. D is not correct. It is not symmetric is the correct answer. Okay. Why? Because the option is only the confusion. It is, they are not given the symmetric. It is not symmetric is the option. So not symmetric itself is the correct answer. Next question, that is, if A is a set of, oh, sorry. So if A is a set of that is natural numbers less than 8 and B is a set of prime numbers less than 7, then the numbers of relation from A to B is what? So try to understand, give the answer fast, quick. The options are 2 raised to 9 and 9 raised to 2, 9 and 2 raised to 9 minus 1. So if you consider set A is a 2, 4, 6. Okay. And set B is what? Less than 7. And prime numbers less than 7 prime numbers are what? It is nothing but 2, 3, 5. And still many students will write prime number as 1. 1 is not a prime number, okay? Then next is what? It is given that the number of relations from A to B, A to B, A to B in the sense what? A into B. So how many members are there in A? 3, and members of B are 3. So it is what? 9 elements. So 9 elements, P of n of AB. So P of n of AB is what? It is nothing but 2 raised to number of elements, that is 9. 2 raised to 9 is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Now next. Let A is a set XYZ, set B is ABCD. Which one of the following is not a relation from A to B? Which one of this is not a relation from A to B? Option A is X A and XC. Option B is YC and YD, ZA and ZD. Then D is ZB, YB and AD. So look here. It is, if you check the ordered pair over here, okay, I will give the answer. If you check the ordered pair here, X and A is there, X into A and X into C. Correct, it is. It is a relation, it is. Okay, it is a relation. Then YC and YD. YC, Y from first A element, A set, and YC and D from second set. Yes, exactly. It is also a function. It is also a function. Then ZA, ZD. Yes, exactly. It is also a function. ZB, YB. ZB, YB. Yes. A to B, A to B. Yes. But AD is where? A is also from the set B. D is also from the set B. So it is not a function. Because of this, option D is not a function. So option D is the correct answer. Is that clear? So it is not having any relation. So it is not the relation from A to B. Understood now? No, 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 no. Many of you have given the wrong answer. Please make it correct. Make it correct. It is nothing but what? You have to get the product. You have to get the order pair. Order pair means what? One element from A to element B, you have to get the product. XA, XB, XC, XD, YA, YB, YC, YD. Like that, ZA, ZB, ZC, ZD. Both one in a one particular group, one first element from A, second element should be from set B, like that. But here, if you check this all the sets, you will get the relation from A to B only. But ordered pair A to D, if you check this, both are from A is also from set A, D is also from set B only. So because of both are from the same set, it is not the relation. So hence D is not the relation. Is that clear? Student, have you all understood this? Please say yes with the chat. Have you all understood? Yes, next. Thank you. Next question. R is a subset of A cross A where A is not equal to 0. 1 minute, I will erase that our drawings. Yes, where A is not equal to 0 is an equivalence relation of R is reflexive, symmetric, but not transitive. Like that, relations are given. Just try to understand and try to give the answer. 10 seconds for you. Yes, yes. Many of you have given the right answer. Yes. A's relation will develop if A is reflective, symmetric, and transitive. Exactly. One single answer. Absolutely, you have given the correct answer. Many of you did the correct answer. Yes, thank you. Next one. Next question. Last question of this class. Domain of the function f of x is root 2 minus 2x minus x square is what? What is the domain of this function? What is the domain of this function? Try to solve this and quickly you have to give the answer fast. Last question, fast. So it is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is 4 you can consider. So it is minus 2 plus or minus. It is 4. You can say that minus 2 plus or minus 2 by 4. If you treat this minus 4, so that it is minus 1 root 3. So it is nothing but what? It is nothing but minus 1 minus root 3 is lesser than x is less than or equal to minus 1 plus root 3. This is what the option, that option is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. So students, we'll wind up today's session at this stage. Yes, option B is the correct answer. Yes. We'll wind up today's session at this stage, and tomorrow we'll meet up with the new chapter, which is having the more weightage in the CET. So tomorrow we'll meet at the same time. Till that, keep on practice. Okay. Bye. Take care.